Welcome to an IVS Computer Technology video tutorial. My name is Tammy Frazier. I'd like to show you how you can use page grouping to help organize your pages as you use Smart Notebook software. One of the benefits of using page grouping is that it allows you to navigate quickly between pages and groups of pages using the Page Sorter tab. So let's take a look at how we can put those groups together. The first thing we need to do is reveal the Page Sorter tab. It's located in the Notebook software side tabs. Next, we're going to choose the Groups button and then Edit Groups. An Edit Groups window will appear. Within that Edit Groups window, we're going to choose in the upper left-hand corner the button marked Add New Group. Once that group has been added, we're going to rename it just by typing in the new name. We can begin then dragging and dropping pages into the group we'd like them in. There will be a blank page within each of those groups, and I'll show you how to remove that if you'd like. Next, once we're finished dragging and dropping all the pages, we're going to choose the X in the upper right corner, and that will close the window. And when we're ready to begin using the groups, we're going to navigate quickly to the group we'd like to go to by selecting the group name using that page sorter. So let's take a look at how to put those groups together. First, we will select the Page Sorter tab in the Smart Notebook software side tabs. Next, we're going to choose Groups, and then in the submenu that appears, we're going to select Edit Groups. This is going to bring up the Edit Groups window. Once we select that button in the upper left, Add New Group, a new group will appear, and I can just begin typing in the name of my new group. And I can add multiple groups just by selecting the Add New Group button and typing in a new name. Now I can begin dragging those pages into the groups that I'd like them in. And notice that each of these new groups has a blank page inside. I can use this as a title page, or I can delete it just by selecting it and then using that drop-down menu and selecting Delete. That will remove that page from within that group. Once you've organized all the pages how you like them, you're going to come up to the upper right and choose that red X and close it out. So notice now when I select that Groups button, I have those groups that I just created. I'd like to quickly navigate to green. I'm just going to select green, and my green pages come to the top of the page sorter. So that just becomes a quick way of navigating through your pages. So what are some of the uses that our teachers use groups for? Some of our teachers are using groups to organize by class period. We also have our teachers using grouping as they have a unit that stretches across multi-days. They have a group for Monday, for Tuesday, for Wednesday, for Thursday, and for Friday. If our primary teachers like grouping for calendar activities because they can review or skip activities as they need to. And then we have teachers that set up grouping as they have their entire day planned out on the smartboard. So I can just show you what that would look like. Here's an example of daily grouping. So when I select that Groups tab, you can see that this teacher has set this up to go throughout their day. As they transition from math to reading, they're just going to select reading, and their reading activities available. We can also set up our lessons weekly. So when I select that Groups within that Page Sorter tab, you'll see that this is grouped by Lesson 1, Monday, Lesson 2, Tuesday, and so on. Another thing that we can do is by class period. So if you have different groups of students coming into your classroom, when I select that Groups tab, you'll see that different class periods are indicated within that page sorter. So when period 6 comes in, the teacher can touch this and go straight to that period 6 activity. So it allows you quick access and navigation to different pages throughout your software. So hopefully you found this tutorial useful. Have a great day.